Welcome again to another week with Lawn Care with Daryl. Again, we're going to be working on our Project Lawn this week, and we're going to be talking about smoking off all the vegetation. We're going to be using this non-selective herbicide here, the Roundup Super Concentrate. Now, you need to read your labels whenever you're using herbicides or fungicides or anything, and it'll tell you all about your precautions, your application rates, and other important information. One of which in this particular case is how long you have to wait before you can reseed. This particular product allows you to reseed, it says in 3 days. We're going to give it a little bit longer than that, but you need to be cautious because there are other products out there such as the Roundup Extended Control, and that has a limitation. You can't reseed for 4 to 12 months. And if you were to accidentally apply that in this case, it would pretty much just shut down the renovation work you'd be doing this year. So be sure to read your labels, pay attention, and apply it and follow all your precautions. Now we're going to be applying this with a 4-gallon backpack sprayer like I have here. That sprayer I can usually cover about 2,700 square feet with one tank full, and the yard is about 8,100 square feet. So basically 3 tankfuls. The application rate on this is 2.5 ounces for every 300 feet. So, 2,700 divided by 300 is 9. Multiply that by 2.5, and that gives you 22 ounces in every tank full. Now my bottle is 64 ounces, and it works out perfect because when you divide that in 3, you get 21.3. Again, round that to 22. So we're going to do 3 tankfuls, a third of a bottle in each tank full, and we're going to spray it. Now make sure you wear your proper PPE. I wear galoshes, rubber galoshes. I have long sleeve shirt, long pants, and I wear gloves, and I wear goggles and everything. Be sure that you properly outfit yourself when you're doing the spraying. So, hey, let's all head on over to the project site and let's get to spraying. So we're gonna add the Roundup into the thing. I've got a measuring cup here to get the proper amount that we need. So first thing we wanna do is protect my eyes and be safe. I'm gonna put about half of the spreader, of the sprayer here filled with water. It's 4 gallons, and we're putting in about 2 gallons to start, and then we'll add the chemical and fill it up and mix it all and be ready to spray. All right, it's about half. Okay. I'm going to mix it up a little bit to start with, and then we'll add some more water to it. Using just a paint mixer on the end of a drill. Finish filling it up with the rest of the water, and we'll cap her off, and we'll get ready to start spraying. Make sure we put our basket for our sealer in, get her all set up. Everything's closed up here so we don't have any spillage. And we're ready to get the backpack on and go start spraying. So again, thanks for joining us this week, and be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell for the reminders, tell your buddies about the video, share with them my channel. Now next week we'll be reviewing the irrigation system that we've designed and set up as we start to prepare to move beyond killing the weeds. And we'll hope to see you again next week.